Hey guys, I'm Deronda. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these old-fashioned honey muffins. Absolutely melt in your mouth, delicious, and so simple and easy to make. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, it can be unsalted or salted, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1/4 cup of honey, your choice, and 1 cup of milk. It can be whole milk or 2% milk. Let me show you how simple and easy these are to get together. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to add all the dry ingredients. So all the flour, the baking powder, and the salt with all that sugar. Using a whisk, we're going to whisk these 4 ingredients until they're well blended. And that looks great. You can set this off to the side. In a medium mixing bowl, we're going to add the wet ingredients. The milk, the butter, your egg, and your honey. Now I go ahead and butter the inside of my measuring cup when I'm using honey. That way it's not going to stick too badly to your measuring cup. Using that whisk that you used to whisk your dry ingredients, we're going to whisk our wet ingredients until they're well blended. Now I can smell that honey. This is going to be so fantastic. Back with our dry ingredients, we're going to make a well here in your flour mixture. Got a little there on the side. This is a real crucial part. We're going to add our mixture in with our flour mixture. Get it all in there. With a spoon, we're gradually going to bring our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. Now stay with me. We're going to do this until the dry ingredients are just moist with the wet ingredients. If you overmix your batter, you're going to get domes, big, huge, pointed domes at the top of your muffins. And at this point, I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure you get down in the bottom to get all that flour mixed in. Work with it gingerly. It's getting there. Make sure you have no flour in the bottom of your bowl here. And I can smell that honey. It's gonna be fantastic. That's absolutely perfect. Don't mix it anymore. Now this is ready for its muffin pans. I've lined 12 muffin cups with paper liners with an ice cream scooper so I can get uniform sizes. I'm going to go ahead and add it into each muffin cup. You want your muffin cups 3/4 of a way full. I've got my batter in my paper lined muffin cups, and I'm going to give it a swish swish and a tap tap so the batter can settle. Now this is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Use your timer and no peeking. Okay, 15 minutes are up. Let me turn off that timer. Let's go in here and see what these muffins look like, and they look fantastic. We're going to use a toothpick, stick in the center, pull out. No batter on that toothpick, so these muffins are ready to come out of the oven. Go over here to a cooling rack. I'm going to let them cool down for about 5 minutes before I remove them from their pan. After 5 minutes, I just turn my muffins. I mean, they're pretty well cool enough to handle, but still a little warm, so be careful. I turn my muffins to the side and just pop them out of their pans. Let them cool here on a cooling rack for the next 15 minutes. Let's pick a muffin to dig into, and I'll show you what it's like. They've been sitting here for about 15 minutes. If you cut into them before 15 minutes are up, they may just fall apart on you. They're going to be nice and moist. Look at there on the inside. Oh yeah, you see a little steam coming up. Got a little butter on it. You can add. Let's give it a try. The honey comes through. They're kind of a mixture between like a cake donut and a glazed donut. Absolutely fantastic, lovely and moist. A little apricot jam on there, extra pat of butter. Look how they just spring back. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. You're not going to be disappointed. in this 12 dozen of old-fashioned honey muffins. They are absolutely scrumptious. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. I'll catch you lovely people later.